Thereafter, amputated her wrist. All this they did after having the value of their money used in getting the services of the victim, whom they claimed was a sex worker. What spurred these innocent-looking young men to have allegedly committed such a despicable crime?
My name is Olajide Alaka.
Can you tell us what you did that made the police arrest you?
Yes, because I killed somebody. That's why police arrest me.
Who did you kill?
I killed a girl at Stonet Hotel. That's why police arrest me.
Can you tell us how you went about killing this young woman?
Yes, there was a day. I'm working with a guy, a brother, his name is Said. So I normally worked with him. So there was a day he just come and called me and he said he have something to tell me. And I go and meet him. As I first was going to meet him, he said he have job for me. So I'm happy and I tell him that, okay, thank you. So after then, he said we should go outside. When we reach outside, he said to me that he needs two arms of a woman. And I said, arms, where did I want to get arms from? He said that, what is there is that I have to know as I'm going to get arms. I tell him that I've not killed before. I've not killed goats. Than telling me, where did I want to see an arms of a lady? So I'm now going to tell Ayo that, let me just brief you a story that I've heard from this so person. So I now called Ayo. I said, Ayo, Brother Said said to me that I should get the arms for him. And Ayo said, am I mad? Don't you hear what you are saying in your mouth? Where do you want to get this kind of thing? That's what he said to me in the front of God and man. And I said, that's me too. And I don't know where to get this thing. Ayo now said, I would like to know that so person that sent you and asked you this kind of thing. So and I said, okay, I wish I would take you there tomorrow. That's what I said to him. So, and I went there the next day. When I'm there in the next day at Brother Said's house, so we greet Brother Said and his friend come. That one was called Friday. Him to sitting down behind us. After when Brother Said just says, this is your friend? I said yes. And now asked Ayo that, have your friend explained to you? Ayo said, he have explained, but about what? I wanted to explain it well. And Brother Said stand up immediately and went inside. After when he went inside, he brings something hot inside cup and bring it in the front of two of us. And we said two of us should drink it. So I just looked at what happened, something like that. Because he bring it with a bottle, as if he just want to give someone something to drink. So, but him did not taste out of it. He just give us the particular one he's holding the cup, tell us to drink it. So we to just drink it, two of us. Just like wine, it's some brown wine inside cup. So he give me to drink it and give Ayo to drink it. So as we drink it finish, immediately he just asks us that we should charge. Immediately we to charge. That can he give us 200,000? He said for what? That he have someone that normally cut hands for him for like 50, 40 before. So and I said, me, I don't know about this thing, but give us 100,000. He said he's going to give us 50,000. So I said 50,000. So he said he's going to add 10,000 to it, 60,000. Last, that's what he's giving us. Immediately we to accept. So after then we stand up and he said we should come around in the afternoon time. So immediately two of us went. Me and Ayo went. So me and Ayo was still doing as if he asking me that, what is worrying you? Someone push you there to go and you are going like that. What's the problem? Something like that. But me, I don't know as I'm doing again because I'm just as if a power coming to me. Because as I take the hot in my stomach, I just know that all my body just started strong in that we must do that, we must do it, we must do it. That was my determination. So when we come back at the afternoon time to collect the 13,000, the brother bring something like hunk of malu. In Brother Said. So, and he bring out a red cloth on it, took one thing inside, put it in his mouth, and started saying all those things and saying us that we should go. And tomorrow we must bring the hands of the woman. That is the last word I just had. And I said to Ayo that, Ayo, let's do the job. So we went in immediately. We went to Cotton. Ayo buy visa phone inside the money. So two of us, we spend the money uselessly. And the money remaining in our hand because he said we should do it that night. And the money in the next morning now come to us, said he's in Aso Rock frontage at the junction. That what are we doing? We said we are around, we are not doing anything. He just said we should come and meet him there, and we are there with him. So immediately he is there. He just said, what happened? And I said, bro, the money you give to us yesterday is not enough. And he gave us 2,000 with the 13,000, making 15,000, and said to us that we should go and take the sand at the front of the main road that motor is passing, that we should put it in our mouth. And he now swear that if he did not bring those, first of all, say all those things, now said, if we did not do anything, we will die. Motor should jam us, something like that. And immediately, he points to a lady. That was the girl we are talking about that said the case. Said we should carry this one and go with her. So immediately, Ayo went with the girl. And I take inside the money remaining with me. I go to 7 at a custom bus stop at Ikotun, at Abanoje Road. I went there and I pay the money for daybreak. That was 2005. When I paid the money and I back to Ayo and the girl, and Ayo have talked with the girl, I don't know what they said together. So I just arranged to take them there with me. So 3 of us are there. But I slept on the floor. Ayo slept with the girl on the bed. So after then, when Ayo go with the girl, I have sex with the girl twice. So the girl was tired. So I take the cutlass, I cut the girl's neck, and I cut the arms. So and we arranged to pack it, and we went out before something to 4 in the morning. We come down out of the hotel, and we rushed to his place at Said house. When we reached the Said house, we said, this is what we said we should give to you. And immediately, he just said, go.
The lady you people picked that night, did you put anything in her drink that she was unable to scream?
We don't drug her. We don't give her anything inside the drink. But no, even though if someone wants to kill just goat must to shout and shake body. But we just rise on him and we see that I cut the neck. The girl was just trying his power. So, and I cut the hands.
When Said contracted you to do this kind of a thing, why didn't you report an elder about it? See what Said said you should do.
What is there is that as he talked to me, it's not that he said it to me as just it's something that I should just do as if he tried to put me down, telling me about the matter, sit me down where that I should add so something. But I still determined that this thing did not possible, and I went to my friend and I asked him that let me brief you something, and he first of all swore for me that am I mad, that what am I saying in my mouth? So and I replied to him that I just said I should add from you because of this type of thing. As I am like this, my father know me. I have not bring goats to our house before that we should kill. It's now saying because of it's now said N. I have not killed it in my life. My father have not even bought one goat like this that we should kill. I will not say we should take cutlass. This is my first time doing that kind of this thing in my life, and I don't know anything about it.
You told me now that you're the one that killed the woman. You cut her hands, did everything. What did Ayo do?
Really, it's her that slept with the woman, and Ayo sit down and hold the arms of the woman because I can't lie in the front of God. The woman did not shout, and we don't give him. If they can still put on searching the woman, nothing like drugs. Because I know that what is there that I know, and I can say it in the front of God, and I've said it in the life. I'm going to die. That's what I'm determined my mind. Because when my father heard about it, he said, "He don't burn someone that can kill somebody," because he trusts me. But him to nobody know that it's not what I can did. So because as I just step on the woman can shout. He don't use medicine, but as he sit down, but I know that it's because of what we have drink that's going to grow the woman down, will not shout. Because she pointed at the woman that this is the woman we should carry.
Your action now, how do you feel? Do you regret what you people have done?
Really, I regret about it because even though since then I'm not happy. Since when the matter ritual have come, I went to church, I prayed about forgiveness. Of me to myself, I'm not, when I know that I have sinned, and that I'm not okay.
Tell us your name.
My name is Adele Onajobi.
Can you tell me what you did that made the police arrest you?
They really arrested me for a crime of killing a woman.
Can you tell us how you went about killing the woman?
All I know about it is that when Jide told me that there was one guy that told him just go and get 2 hands of ladies. He told me that he's not care for the first time, but I tried to side, but I tried to put in action that, are you crazy or are you mad? This guy he was just trying to threaten me. I don't know how to put it. Okay, I tell him that I'll just try to know the person that sent you the hands for the first time. Then he told him that will not be a problem, that he's going to take me there to know the person. Then after the following day, he take me to the person. As I was there, I don't know that his side I was sitting with. I greet the person. Then the following thing he told me the last time is that, have you heard now that Jide have really told you everything about everything? I said yes. I've been trying to talk in my own mind. He said no. He said I know that I must not talk anything. Then Said explained further to me. And I've been trying to stand up. He said, you can tell me that I can't go anywhere. That so that I've heard about it, I can't go anywhere. And he go to inside the high door. There's one high door at the back of his house. Then he bring out one glass cup. There's hot, something like wine. He gave us to drink. He bring it in form of maybe we should take something and drink. You don't take, but I know that thing that he gave to me on that day, that break me down here. After that, he asked me to remove my slippers, that I don't know my stomach. I may go outside and go and tell someone and other people. Now tell me that we are going to make an oath here that everybody that talk this thing out, his tongue is going to turn upside down. We are in front of the Astor Rock the following day again. They asked me, now it's on the 24th. It's not a thing that we must do it.
24th of when?
Of October. That's what to pray. We go and take sand in the front of the main road. Then we take the sand. That's what to swear. We make an incantation, everything again. Then we swear again. Yeah, it's not a point to the lady. So yeah, because that place is open way to carry the prostitute girls outside gates by the night. Then Jide have went there to go and lodge in an hotel. That on the Stone Hotel, he has went there. He comes back to pick me with the ladies, with the girl also. Then when we reach there, I've already told him that what this guy told you must know how to get it for him. My own is just to sleep with the woman. You have no own work. Then when I reached there, I slept with the woman.